Hi students, in this video I'll be solving question number 16 from the exercise 3.2 of the chapter Matrices, and this is one of the important questions in Karnataka Board 2nd PU question paper. In part D main, a 5 marker appears from Matrices chapter, and this is one of the possible questions. So keeping that in mind, this is an important question. Please do learn, and it's an easy one too. So it's question number 16 from exercise 3.2. Let us check the question. If given matrix A, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix like this, we have to prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I is equal to O. What do you mean by O? O is a null matrix and I is identity matrix. So given a matrix like this, we have to prove this. We have to find all these first. That is, we have to find A cube, 6A square, 7A and 2I. Then only we can substitute in the given expression. So let us first find 2I. For that I am considering an identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. Why did we choose to consider a 3 cross 3 matrix only for identity matrix? It's because we have been given a matrix A of order 3 cross 3. So when we have to add and subtract, we need a matrix of order 3 cross 3 only. Only then we can do that. That is why I have considered a 3 cross 3 identity matrix. Now this is identity matrix and we have to find 2I. So I'll be multiplying 2 to this identity matrix. That means I'll be multiplying 2 to each and every element of the matrix I. This gives us 2, 2, 2 as diagonal elements and the rest of the elements will remain 0 only. So this matrix is 2I. Now we shall find 7A. That is, we'll multiply 7 to each and every element of matrix A. That gives us 7A. So it is 7 into 1, 7. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 0, 0 again. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 1 is 7. Now 7 into 2 is 14. 7 into 0 is 0. 7 into 3 is 21. So this is matrix 7A. Now we have to find A square. Then we can find A cube, right? First we have to find A square. So I'll consider A square, that is A into A. We'll consider matrix A into matrix A. Now we shall consider first row, then multiply with the corresponding terms of first, second and third columns. So it is 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, 4, which gives us 1 plus 0 plus 4. Now first row and second column is what we are going to consider. 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0 again. So it is 0 plus 0 plus 0. So this whole term will become 0. Now I will consider first row with third column. That is 1 into 2 is 2, 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 3 is 6, which is 2 plus 0 plus 6. Now I will consider second row with the first, second and third column. That is 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2, which is 0 plus 0 plus 2. So second row with second column. 0 into 0 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 0 is 0, which is 0 plus 4 plus 0. So second row with third column. 0 into 2 is 0, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3. So it is 0 plus 2 plus 3. Now third row with first column, which will be 1 into 2 is 2, 0 into 0 is 0, 3 into 2 is 6. So it is 2 plus 0 plus 6. Then third row with second column, which is 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 3 into 0 is 0. So all the three terms are 0 here. This whole term will become 0. Now third row with third column, that is 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 0 is 0, 3 into 3 is 9. So this will be 4 plus 0 plus 9. On simplification, we get A square to be, this is 508. So 508. Now this is 2, 4, 5. So 2, 4, 5. 8, 0, 13. So this is 8, 0 and 13. So this is matrix A square. we need this matrix to find a cube, and now we have to find 6a square. So we have to multiply 6 to this matrix a square to get 6a square. Fine. Yes. So multiplying 6 to each and every element of matrix A square, that gives us 6 into 5 is 30, 6 into 0 is 0, 8 into 6 is 48. So it is 30, 0, 48. Now 6 into 2, 12, 6 into 4, 24, 6 into 5 is 30. So this is 12, 24, 30. Now 6 into 8 is 48, 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 13 is 78. So this is 48, 0, 78. This is 6a square. Now we have to find a cube. So it is a square into a square. And while finding a cube, be careful to write a square only, not 6a square. If you write 6a square, then the whole thing will be messed up. Careful while writing this. So you are writing this matrix a square and matrix A. So we'll again consider first row and multiply with the corresponding terms of the first, second and third column. So 5 into 1 is 5, 0 into 0, 0, 8 into 2, 16. So it is 5 plus 0 plus 16. Now first row, second column, that is 5 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 8 into 0 is 0. This will be 0 plus 0 plus 0. So this whole term will be 0. Now first row with third column. So 5 into 2 is 10, 0 into 1 is 0, 8 into 3 is 24. So it is 10 plus 0 plus 24. Now we'll be considering second row with first column. 2 into 1 is 2, 4 into 0 is 0, 5 into 2 is 10, which is 2 plus 0 plus 10. So second row with second column. 2 into 0 is 0, 4 into 2 is 8, then 5 into 0 is 0. So it is 0 plus 8 plus 4. Now second row with third column elements. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into 3 is 15. So 4 plus 4 plus 15. Then third row with first column. 8 into 1 is 8, 0 into 0 is 0, 13 into 2 is 26. So it is 8 plus 0 plus 26. And then third row with second column. 8 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 13 into 0 is 0. So it is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Now third row with third column. 8 into 2 is 16, 0 into 1 is 0, 13 into 3 is 39, which will be 16 plus 0 plus 39. On simplifying, we get a cube. So this is 16 plus 5, 21. This is 0. And this is 10 plus 24, 34. This is 2 plus 10, 12. This is 8. This is 15 plus 8 is 23. Then 8 plus 26 is 34. This is 0. Then it is 39 plus 16, 55. So this is a cube. Now we have found all the required elements of the given equation, that is 2i, 7a, 6a square and a cube. We'll consider the given expression and we'll substitute. So I have substituted for a cube here. This is the one, minus 6a square. So this is the one, plus 7a. So this one, plus 2i. Now we'll simplify the corresponding terms of the matrices, which is 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. So this one, 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So it is this. Then 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. So this one. Then 12 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0. This one. Then 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. So this is the one. 23 minus 30 plus 7 plus 0. This one. Then 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. So this one. Then 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So this one. Then 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus 2. So this one. So if we simplify this, we should get a null matrix. So when something like this is asked, you know what your answer should be. So if at all you don't get the required answer, you can always go back and check your simplification or multiplication and get the things right. So 21 plus 7 plus 2 is 30. So this is 30 minus 30, 0. This term is 0. Then 34 plus 14 is 48. So 48 minus 48 is 0. 12 minus 12 is 0. Then 8 plus 14 plus 2 is 24, which is 24 minus 24, 0. Then 23 plus 7 is 30. So 30 minus 30 is 0. 48 minus 48 is again 0. This term is 0. So 55 plus 21 plus 2 is 78. So 78 minus 78 is 0. So we have got a null matrix. That is what we had to prove. So this is an easy to solve sum. If you still have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.